Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to talk to you all about cooking fried eggs in the air fryer. I've got a big pack of eggs here and I want to show you 3 different ways of cooking eggs in the air fryer, and then you can see which one you prefer. So the first thing to know with fried eggs, regardless of what you cook them in, is that you must preheat the air fryer. I often get asked about preheating and when to preheat and when not to. Well, just think of it like this. This was Dom's suggestion because he was a chef for many years, and he actually said, well, if you're preheating something for the oven, and if you don't preheat it for the oven, it's a failure, then obviously you're going to need to preheat it for the air fryer. So if you think to yourself, if you put a whole chicken in a cold oven, it would take longer, but it wouldn't ruin your chicken. It would still be a nice chicken. Whereas if you did, say for example, turd in the hole or Yorkshire puddings, if you didn't preheat and get the oil sizzling, your Yorkshire puddings would be an absolute failure. Well, the same applies here. If you did fried eggs in a pan, it would be in a hot pan before you'd crack in the eggs. So the same applies for the air fryer. So kind of bear that in mind when doing air fryer fried eggs. So we're going to start this by obviously getting the preheat going. So air fryer on, 180 Celsius. 360 Fahrenheit, and then a preheat of 2 minutes, and then press start. And then when you think about it for how long to preheat, whatever temperature you're then going to cook the food at in the air fryer, 2 minutes is fine. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. So we're going to start with the casserole dish example, because casserole dishes are brilliant for the fried eggs. But the drawback of them is you need to oil them because they do stick quite a bit. This is a new oil spray I've got here, so just waiting for it to come out. And then give them a good oiling with your hands until they look like that. And then same again for the other one. If you're doing this in a dual air fryer, you can fit one of these little casserole dishes in each one, but it depends what you're using. And then of course, grab yourself some eggs. We're using just a pack of large eggs, so the size of your eggs can affect the difference in the time and temperature. Crack in an egg. In for the centre there, and then same again with your second one. And those eggs are now ready and waiting to go in the air fryer. We've got about 35 seconds left still on our preheat. So then if you like a bit of salt and pepper, you can add some to the top while you're waiting for the beep of your air fryer, and then you're ready to go. So I'm on the countdown now. 9 seconds, 8, 7, 6. I'll just move them out of the way and get ready. 3, 2, 1. And we're beeped. So let's get these fried eggs in, shall we? Remember, your air fryer is now going to be hot, so be careful. I'm terrible for burning myself. I must hold the record for how many times I burn myself in the air fryer. So then if you look there, it's like that in the air fryer, but of course mine are on a steady worktop, so then pop them in like that. And 5 minutes for casserole dishes is rather good, but we can take a look at them, and then if you feel like the egg isn't done to your level of doneness, then you can then add an extra minute. And we've beeped, so shall we check on our casserole dish style fried eggs and see how they're doing, and see if they need another minute, because sometimes it's the white bit that just needs that slightly little bit longer in order for it to set properly. Wow, look at those. So as you can see there, it's just a little bit around where the yolk is that's not quite set, so I'm just going to give it an extra minute. But look, don't they look fantastic? You know, fried eggs in the air fryer. I mean, oh, I just love them. I just love the idea of how it all comes together. So another minute and then we can see how they're doing. And we've beeped and we've done our extra minute, and shall we check on these fried eggs and see what they're like? And oh wow, look at those beauties. They look absolutely fantastic. Let me just show you them close up there. And then let's check out that yolk, shall we? Have we got soft yolk? Yes, we have. I mean, oh wow, look at that for yolk. That's brilliant. And then the other side, if you look at that, again, perfect yolk. They're so good, but they are very hot for getting in and out the air fryer. So you want a good tea towel to do it. And then it's exactly the same method if you're doing it in a ramekin. So if you're thinking about our cookbook, our first one, and we did it in ramekins, so if you've got a smaller air fryer, you can fit 4 ramekins in the air fryer. Just think a ramekin there and there in size. You can fit 4 of them in there. They're perfect for doing your full English breakfast in the air fryer as well. But what I like about ramekins is if, say, you want to do gammon, egg and chips, a ramekin doesn't take up much room. So you could do your gammon steak, you could do your chips, and then towards the end of the cooking time, because the air fryer is still hot from doing the gammon and chips, you won't need a preheat and you can just shove a ramekin in there and it's perfect for that. So that's casserole dish style air fryer fried eggs. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.